Hi, I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. Today's craft will be making colored salt jars. Some of you may have received your kits for this craft. I will be demonstrating how to put it together. For supplies, you will need a jar, table salt, food coloring, sandwich bags. For kitchen tools, you're going to need a small measuring cup, a kitchen funnel. If you don't have a funnel at home, you can take some white paper and create your own funnel. We're going to separate the salt that you have here in your jar. So you're going to separate them in different bags. Once you completed that, go ahead and make sure all your salt are out of the jar. You can take a napkin and you can kind of clean out your jar. The less food color you use, the less color your salt will be. So we're going to do 1 and 2. So this would probably be a lighter pink color because I'm using red here. If you notice, we did put 2 drops of red dye in here, so it made it lighter. The second one, I'll put more drops of food coloring in there and it'll get it a little bit darker. So once you complete your salt, don't use it right away. Kind of give it a few hours, maybe an hour or 2 to let it dry up. But the more dye you use, it's going to be moist in your plastic bag. You can transfer it to a plastic bowl and maybe it'll dry a little bit faster that way. But I would give it maybe an hour or 2 before using your salt. So if you notice, it's just fine color. So that dried really quick there. So the second one, I'm going to add a little bit more of the red dye. And this will be a little bit darker. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, put about 12 drops in there. So how the difference of the colors are. One's lighter and one is a little bit darker. Then we'll go ahead and do a lighter blue. So once you're done, open it up like I did here and let it dry out. So we're going to start layering the dry salt and complete the project. completes our colored salt jars. I hope you enjoyed it more than I did. Please share your craft with us and put it in the comment section. Well, again, we'll see you next week.